If you're stuck in corporate hell watching your 401k disappear while inflation eats away at everything you've saved, this video on 5 simple income streams for men over 40 will change everything. I escaped that corporate BS 10 years ago and now run a multiple 7-figure business. I've helped over 10,000 people start their escape from the rat race with side hustles and these exact income streams that leverage your decades of experience instead of competing with 22-year-olds on social media. So let's dive in. The first stream isn't about high-risk day trading or crypto gambling. It's about building a portfolio of established companies that pay you quarterly for being an owner. And here's exactly how I'd approach dividend investing as a man over 40. First, you want to focus on strategic research and account setup. And at our age, we understand the value of stability over speculation. And open a brokerage account with established firms like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Focus on dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased dividends for 25 plus years. And look for household names you already understand. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. These aren't exciting tech startups, but they're companies that have survived multiple recessions and kept paying shareholders. Then next, you're building your foundation. Start with whatever you can comfortably invest without affecting your family security. Even $500 monthly into quality dividend stock compounds significantly over time. Set up automatic dividend reinvestment plans. And at 40 plus, you still have 20 to 25 years until retirement for compounding to work its magic. The mindset shift for men our age is crucial. We're not trying to get rich quick. We're building a second pension that our employers stop providing. Every dividend payment is like getting a small raise that increases quarterly. Picture this scenario. You're helping your teenage son with college applications when dividend notifications start hitting your phone. $247 from J&J, $189 from Microsoft, or $143 from AT&T. That's beer money, vacation funds, or college savings. All for owning quality businesses while you focus on what matters most. The second stream is digital products, transforming your professional expertise into income that works around your schedule. First, you want to do an experience audit and market validation. As men over 40, we've solved problems, managed teams, navigated corporate politics, raised kids, and learned countless skills. That experience has value. List every challenge you've overcome in your career. Did you streamline a process? Manage difficult employees? Navigate a divorce? Master a skill? Each solution is a potential digital product. Research platforms like Gumroad and Udemy to see if people are selling solutions to problems you've already solved. Then it's all about product creation that fits your life. You don't need to become a full-time content creator. Create simple, practical products, templates, checklists, guides, or courses based on your real experience. Picture this. You turn your budget system, the one that helped you pay off debt in your 30s, into a simple spreadsheet template. 2 hours of work on a Saturday morning leads to $15,000 in sales over 2 years. Now, speaking of debt, who here has dealt with that nasty situation? Well, let me know by typing "debt sucks" down in the comments below somewhere if that's been you before. Definitely been me. But now you're launching and positioning professionally. Position yourself as the experienced professional, not the young guru. Your customers, they want proven wisdom, not untested theories. And share your products within professional networks and LinkedIn and industry groups where your experience carries weight. The advantage of being over 40 is that people trust us more than the 25-year-old experts. We have credibility that money can't buy, and that translates to sales. The third stream leverages your established professional and personal networks. First, you want to assess your professional network. At our age, we have relationships and influence that younger marketers can't replicate. We're the guys people ask for recommendations about tools, services, and products. Identify affiliate programs for products you already use and recommend. Business software, financial services, professional tools, or even high-quality household items. Then develop your content strategy for professionals. You don't need to become an influencer. Share genuine recommendations through professional channels, LinkedIn posts, industry forums, and email newsletters to your network. Write detailed reviews based on actual long-term use. Your 2-year experience with a software tool carries more weight than a young blogger's week-long trial. Then next, you're building systematic recommendations. Create a simple system for sharing recommendations. Maybe it's a monthly tools I actually use email to your professional network, or LinkedIn post about solutions that have genuinely helped your business. Imagine this, you recommend a project management tool you've been using for 3 years to your professional network. That single recommendation, backed by real experience, generates over $8,000 in commissions because people trust recommendations from experienced professionals. The over 40 advantage is that we have established reputations and networks. When we recommend something, people listen because they know we're not just trying to make a quick buck. The fourth stream builds authority while creating multiple income opportunities. First, you want to select platforms for professionals. Choose platforms where professional credibility matters. LinkedIn, YouTube, or industry-specific blogs. You're not competing with 20-something influencers. You're serving an audience that values experience. Focus on evergreen topics related to your expertise, leadership lessons, industry insights, life lessons learned the hard way. Next is content planning around your schedule. You have a full life, job, family, responsibilities. Plan content that fits your reality. Maybe it's one LinkedIn article per week or a monthly YouTube video sharing professional insights. Batch content creation during downtime. Record multiple videos on weekends or write several posts during slow periods. Then next, you're focusing on monetization through authority. Use content to drive traffic to your digital products, affiliate recommendations, and professional services. Your goal isn't viral fame, it's building a reputation as the go-to expert in your niche. Here's a real scenario. Your business channel has under 10,000 subscribers, but it generates over $6,000 monthly because your audience values expertise over entertainment. Quality beats quantity when you're targeting professionals and decision makers. The credibility factor is huge. When a 45-year-old with 20 years of industry experience shares insights, people pay attention differently than when a recent college graduate does the same. The fifth stream applies your business knowledge to create hands-off income. First, you want to do market research with a business perspective. Use your business experience to identify opportunities younger entrepreneurs miss. Look for products that solve problems you understand from your professional life. Research print-on-demand or dropshipping in B2B niches where your knowledge gives you an advantage. Then, it's professional setup and systems. Apply your business skills to e-commerce and set up proper accounting, inventory management, and customer service systems from day one. Connect with reliable suppliers and negotiate terms like the experienced business professional you are. All right, now you're scaling with business discipline. Treat this like the business it is, not a simple side hustle. Apply the same principles you use in your career. Systematic processes, quality control, and professional customer service. Picture this scenario. You identify a gap in professional development materials and create a print-on-demand business serving corporate trainers. Your business experience helps you understand the market in ways that typical e-commerce gurus can't. And the result, $8,000 monthly with minimal ongoing effort. The business experience advantage is that we understand operations and customer service and professional standards. This translates to better businesses and higher profit margins. Now, let's talk about scaling and growth. You want to focus on integration and efficiency. Apply your project management skills to systemize these income streams. Create processes that work around your existing schedule and responsibilities. Use your business network to accelerate growth. Your professional contacts are often your best early customers and referral sources. And finally, you're looking at strategic expansion. Leverage what's working If your digital products are successful, create more. If affiliate marketing is profitable, expand to related products. Consider hiring virtual assistants or part-time help for routine tasks. Your time is valuable. Invest it where you have the biggest advantage. Your long-term strategy should be building real wealth. Focus on streams that compound over time. Dividend portfolios that grow. Digital products that sell for years. Content that builds lasting authority. At our age, we're not looking for quick wins. We're building wealth that supports our families and funds our retirement goals. Look, I know this isn't the flashy quit your job in 30 days content you see from 25-year-old YouTubers. We're not trying to become social media influencers or crypto millionaires. But here's what you will have. Additional income streams that leverage the experience and wisdom you've built over decades. Work around your existing responsibilities and grow more valuable as you get older. And while younger entrepreneurs are chasing trends, we're building something sustainable using the biggest advantages we have: experience, credibility, and professional networks that took decades to develop. The question isn't whether these strategies work for men our age, it's whether you're ready to leverage what you've already built to create the financial security your family deserves. Pick one stream that aligns with your experience and start this weekend. Open that brokerage account. Document that process you've protected. Write that LinkedIn article. Your decades of experience are your competitive advantage. It's time to monetize them. Now, if you're ready to take the next step in your escape plan, check out this video where I break down 3 crucial steps you need to understand first, and I'll see you on the other side.